In this video, I will show you how to send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, open up Monopoly Go on your device and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, what you're going to want to do to go and send your link on Facebook is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the Friends button. So from here, you're going to be on the Friends and Family screen. If you look at the top, we've got some different tabs. What you want to do is make sure you're on the Add Friends tab, and at the very bottom, you're going to see a green invite button. So what you want to do is press onto the invite button. And what you can do, there's two ways to do this now. What you can do is directly share your link on Facebook. You can see the Facebook invite button down here, so you can go ahead and press onto that. And what you can do is send this as a message to any of your friends on Facebook. Alternatively, what you can do is press onto the orange invite link button. And you'll see at the top, you'll be able to go ahead, press the copy button to copy your invite link. And then, of course, you can go across to your Facebook Messenger on the Facebook app or via PC and send your link that way too. So that's how to go ahead and send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.